G'day guys, how are you? Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this paper circle garland. It's super easy to make. It does take a little time on the sewing machine, but it's well worth it. Alright, let's get into the video. I used 3 different colours of cardstock: pink, navy blue and gold glitter. Each circle was 2 inches or 5 centimetres, and I used my Cricut to cut out the circles, but you could also do it with a circle hole punch or even a circular object, trace around it and then cut it out with scissors. I found it really helpful to line up the colours that you're going to use. I didn't actually do that at the start, so 2 of the colours were actually in the wrong spot for the sequence of colours. So I recommend that. When I began sewing, I left a little bit of cotton down one end, then I sewed across the circle using the foot pedal. Then when I came to the edge, I manually turned to sew 10 times. I just counted in my head before I put the next circle under. What I actually found was that if I didn't do that, the cotton broke between the 2 circles. So that's my pro tip, to manually sew between the circles so that the cotton doesn't break. It actually took me quite a bit of time to do, but I do have a very long garland, but I'm super happy with how it turned out. Thanks for watching guys. I'm going to use this for my daughter's first birthday party, and then afterwards I'm going to hang it up in her room. And that's the great thing about it. You can use it for a party and then you can use it as some room decor. Alrighty guys, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye!